Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. And we have a funny song here from BoyWithUke. This one is called Long Drive. So this one is basically a ukulele song. I am playing a guitar. I'm gonna give you some technique there for the ukulele playing, but this is mainly a tutorial on a guitar and how we play that one on a guitar. So that's my mission with this song. We need to set our capo on the first fret, and we have 4 chords to learn. So let's start with the C. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the F. You bar all strings on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And we have the G chord, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so I showed you in the beginning of this tutorial how you could play on a ukulele, and that is kind of just ups, because when you're playing this kind of songs and this kind of music style, it's more on the ups like this. Play a little bit jumpy. So if we take the F chord, for instance, the strumming pattern like for ukulele will be something like that. Okay, so you can have that with you. Now I'm gonna continue to play the guitar and how to handle the strumming patterns with the guitar. So let's start the song here, and it starts with the chords. The chords will be F to C to G and to A minor. Okay, so if you choose to play on a ukulele, you're gonna play 4 ups for each chord. Okay, so 4 ups on each chord, and you're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds. Okay, but if we're gonna play it on guitar, we have a strumming pattern that will be down, up, clap, up. So if we take the F chord again, you're gonna play, that is one strumming pattern. So down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. So again, you play this F, C, G, and A minor for 2 rounds, this chord progression, and you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So F, C, C, G, A minor, and again. Right, so that is the chorus. That takes us to the first verse. In the lyrics, we just face time. Okay, now we need to look at a new strumming pattern when it comes to guitar. The ukulele is played the exact same way 4 times on each chord. Now the chord progression will be C to G to A minor and to F. Okay, so 4 ups for these chords, and you're gonna play that for 4 rounds, this chord progression. So C, G, A minor, F. When the guitar is played, you're gonna use this strumming pattern. I'm gonna give it through a C chord, that is the first chord. So it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. So you're gonna play this strumming pattern down, up, clap, up, down, up. 1 time for each chord. Same chord still, of course, C, G, A minor, F. and of course for 4 rounds here as well. And that is the first verse. Then comes the second chorus, played in the same way as the chorus we learned in the beginning. And it's followed by a second verse, played in the same way as the verse we just learned. Then comes a third chorus. This one is played in the same way, but it's twice as long. So instead of 2 rounds, like we played so far, you're gonna play it for 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of F, C, G, and A minor. And it ends with an outro part. Okay, so this outro part differs a little bit. It's based on the following chords: F, C, G, and A minor. Okay, so F, C, G, and A minor. You're gonna play a melody there. It's very, very easy. The notes goes like this. Okay, so this melody is found here on the E string to begin with, and the top string here. So it's 3rd on E, open E, 3rd B, and 1st B. Okay, and it's based upon these chords like I just mentioned, the F, C, G, and A minor. So what you do there, you're gonna use the bass note from each of these chords. So you're gonna start with the F. You found that one on the 1st fret E string in the bass. You're gonna play that one together with the first note, which is always the 3rd fret E string. Okay, like this. You play it only with the first note, the 3rd fret E. That is where you play the bass. And then you just play the rest of the melody notes there. And then you just shift to the next bass note. In this case, it's based on the C chord, and you find that one on the 3rd fret A string. You play that together with, again, the 3rd fret E string. Then you shift to the next chord, which is the G, and you found that bass note on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. Play that together with the 3rd E string on the top, and the rest. And finally, the next and final chord is the A minor. You play that bass note, which is the open A string, together with the 3rd fret E string. Sorry. So one round of F, C, G, and A minor will sound like this. So you don't need to hold the full chord as it is, you just need the bass notes from the chords. And this is one chord progression there, F, C, G, and A minor. You play that one for 4 rounds. And that is how this cool and funny song from BoyWithUke, Long Drives, ends. So good luck with this one, happy song. So teach and learn well here. Try to do this kind of strumming with the guitar. I prefer that one on the guitar. So good luck with this one and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.